going on, everybody? This is Rob from Mainly Dirt Fishing. I got my granddaughter Zoe here, and we're going to do a review on the Dr. Otek MT9S metal detector. It's a kid's detector. What I've done is I did a little, as you can see on the ground there, I have some various targets on the ground. We're going to go through this little garden, and Zoe's going to tell you what each thing means on the detector, and you know what those colors represent. So this is our little coin garden. This is my little princess. She's got her Dr. Otek butter knife on, her hand digger, and she's got gloves because we're going to be safe. So Zoe, what does all that stuff mean?
This one means
What? Green?
Green means
Nickel?
Nickel, yeah.
Okay.
And then this means, what is that word?
Red is iron.
Yeah, iron. And then this just means
Blue.
blue for
Like a quarter.
yeah.
All right, let's walk us through it. Have you already turned it on? All right, so Zoe's going to turn the machine on.
Wait.
Zoe, for this, you can take your gloves off. Only when when you're digging with Betsy and I. Put them. You can set it on the ground. All right, so go ahead and show them how easy it is to turn on.
I'm pretty sure I'm turning it off. Yep, I turned it off.
All right.
And then
That's on.
yeah.
Okay. And this right here is your volume button.
Yep.
And then this is if you want to really zero in on something. You hit that button, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, let's walk them through it and show them. All right, what's it saying?
It is.
It's red,
Yeah.
so it's iron, huh?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's go to the big one here. Now, make sure you give it a little swing so people can see how it works. Okay, so, and show them what this button does. Okay, if you, so it's right over the top. That's pinpointer. Okay? Now you're back into the regular mode.
It's red.
Okay, what about this nail over here? It's red?
Yep.
All right. Now why don't we go over to this big hawking nail? Now make sure you give her a swing, like you've been taught.
It's also red.
Okay, it's also red. Now you got a big axe. Now show people how you adjust the head so it's parallel with the ground. You just give her a little touch with your princess boots, and then you're using two hands because you feel like the handle's a little uncomfortable, you think?
Yeah, right here is us.
Okay. Well, I'll let Dr. Otek know. So what's that doing?
It started off red and now it's blue.
So what that means is there's a couple, and now it's green. So we know that's not a good signal, right?
Yeah, it's red,
All right.
green, blue.
All right, what do we got over here?
This one is green.
All right, give her a swipe like I taught you. That's green.
It's also red.
Yeah, so you know that's not a nickel. So most likely, if you're getting two signals, like Grampy taught you, that's probably not something that you would dig, right?
Yep.
But it is a horseshoe.
Yep.
All right, now let's show them what coins sound like. All right, now you need to make sure you give her a swing like you're trying to find it. All right, so what's it doing now?
It's blue.
It's blue, so a dime reads blue like a quarter.
Mm-hmm.
All right, what's the next one? Now make sure you have your parallel to the ground. Good job.
This one's green.
Green, so that's maybe nickels and pennies are the same. Let's see what the nickel does.
It's green.
It's green also, so nickels and pennies are green. All right, for the big finale, Zozo, come on over here. What do you got there?
I got a blue.
A blue. Okay, so that means it's a quarter, right?
Yes.
What do you think? Do you like the machine?
Yes.
All right. And how's the ground been today with you and Betsy been digging?
Moist.
I love you. Talk at you later, guys. All right, everybody. So basically, as far as the Dr. Otek child's kids detector, the MTN, it's MT9S, I believe. It seems to be, it does function. It does what it's supposed to do for a child. I would have to spend a lot more time in the field with it, using it myself, in order to see how accurate it is. But as far as the test garden I did, the Dr. Otek seemed to do well for Zoe. The pouch and the digger, the digger's a little too sharp for her, so it's more of an adult thing, and hopefully Dr. Otek will, they're supposed to get back with me, and I wouldn't have a problem giving some of these detectors away to some young children out there so they can learn. It is more of a little kid's detector though. Zoe's 9, so maybe a little bit bigger detector would suit her better. And, it has its typical things like any other piece of equipment. But overall, it does its job. It goes over metal. It beeps. It does have separate tones, 3 separate tones, so kids can learn the tones. And then as far as their diggers and their pouches, there's a lot of room in these pouches. Let me tell you, I wouldn't mind giving some more of these away, but there's a lot of room in these pouches. Has 2 zippers inside. It's fairly deep. You can dump them out fairly easy, 2 separate compartments. And then their hand digger is pretty brutal. That's a pretty nice hand digger. I think I'm going to use this today to see how it is as far as digging. I use a different one, but I'm going to see this. Put that right in my pouch. Okay. Mr. Cool Breath, it says. Cool Breath. I got this on Etsy. Guy did a really nice job. There's Dr. Otek. It's going in my digger pouch, and I'm going to use it today. Anyways, so as far as the MT9S, it's a heck of a digger, a heck of a detector, and as far as for kids, I approve of it. For children, definitely they will find treasure. Zoe's out. In a few minutes when I'm done here, she's gonna go out and find some treasure. So make sure you check out Dr. Otek. You can buy their detectors on Amazon right now, and they have pouches, they have adult detectors, and they have hand diggers. So get you a Dr. Otek hand digger. I definitely think they're pretty neat, and they're pretty heavy, so I'm gonna see how it works today. I'll talk at you later.
3. Hey everyone, my name is Betsy. I'm Rob's fiance, and this is Zoe. And Dr. Otek sent detectors and everything for kids to learn how to detect. So Zoe's out here practicing this morning, trying to just get down the swinging part and all the different, buttons. She's already found some quarter signs, and then they have the 5-cent one, and just different ones, and she's practicing getting ready to swing it and all of that. Move it around, Zoe. Just tell me what you see.
5 cents right here.
You see a 5-cent one?
Right here.
Okay.
Where's my shovel?
Just a second. I want to show us where you're seeing it lighten up on the 5-cent one.
It's better when this off, so you can see.
Okay. Go ahead and do it again so you can show this. If we can, let's take this piece of tape off, like you said. Okay. Okay.
It's showing a nail and a.
It's showing a nail in. Okay. See it
There's
lighten
a nail
up?
right here and right over here. That's 5 cents and that's.
Okay. Bring it back to your 5-cent one, and I'm going to grab the shovel.
What? Okay, I'm on 5 cents.
Okay.
Betsy, you can pause the video.
What with? Okay, guys, we're going to pause this video for a minute.
The pause button.
There's something. Okay, we're back. She's also got a hand digger here from Dr. Otek, and her
That
pink.
also says his name on it.
Yes, and her pink shovel that Dave built. We're working on the plug. Bear with us because, I mean, she's just starting out. That's how everybody has to do, is start out. So I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna put it on pause again, and then
right there.
we're gonna see what we find, and I'll put it back on.
Oh, Betty, I think. Wait, no. So there's a coin in. Yeah, there's one right there. I don't like worms. Okay, Betsy, put that down, please. It's right here. It's right there.
I'll hold it for you. Try it again. You don't think it's in that? Play that over. Try right here.
It's right in here.
Okay.
I'm not showing you. Maybe that thing is.
Okay.
It's right here, so there's a nail in this door right here. And then there's something right here. There's something right there, Betsy.
Okay, shut it off for a second. Return it.
So we just found the thing that was in there, and it was this little lumina.
Yeah.
And it's like 5 cents, I guess.
Yeah, it's a piece of aluminum.
Yeah, fly in my face.
Better luck next time, huh?
Yeah. And we're gonna head down to my grandfather's right now. Well, we're probably gonna keep on.
See you on the next hole, tell him.
You can say that. Okay, we're gonna look for another hole.
Okay, let's